welcome back to our channel. Thank you for visiting Shaw's channel. Today guys, I'm going to share with you my experience about having a car loan. So ayan, na-paid ko na nga yung car na niloan ko via PS Bank. At ngayon, akala ko that's it. Akala ko ibibigay lang sa akin yung shuttle release of mortgage, and then after that, ibibigay na sa akin yung ORCR. Oo naman talaga pala, totoo naman pala talaga, pero hindi lang pala yun. Meron pa palang gagawing iba. So, after na nakuha ko na guys, ayun, ngayon on the way ako papunta sa Registry of Deeds. Nagdadrive ako, kaya yan, tingin-tingin ako. Oh my God, napunta ako sa iba-ibang lugar. Ayan, Registry of Deeds. 10 days pa lang processing nito at may babayaran ka pa. So, for now, hindi ko na siya iniwan kasi it's 4:21, close na daw yung system nila. Babalik na lang ako, and then sabi sa akin I have to pay less than 1,000 pesos, and then after 10 days saka ako babalikan. So it takes 10 days, the processing is 10 days. After that, pwede na daw akong pumunta ng LTO para matanggal yung income board na nakalagay sa CR, sa Certificate of Registration. So that's it guys, it's not worth the day. Akala ko pa naman I will be able to finish this quickly. Guys, pupunta tayo dito ngayon sa Registry of Deeds. Last time kasing pumunta ako dito, the system was closed, so we're here. Ayan. So this the second step after mo makuha yung ORCR at yung shuttle release of mortgage and so on. Let's go!
Yes ma'am, tsaka shuttle mortgage.
Ah, okay.
Yung dalawa.
Okay. Kailangan mong mag-fill out ng registration application form. So this is it. So like this. And they will be needing your release of shuttle mortgage, and then eto, whatever is this, basta galing sa bank. Guys, kailangan mo mag-prepare ng ID. Please prepare your ID because your ID number is needed when you fill out the form. Okay? So, guys, konti lang naman yung fill outan ko. Basic information lang. Basta don't forget your ID. Okay, sabi nila, the shuttle mortgage takes 10 days. Ayan, so medyo matagal-tagal siya. So I will have to wait for 10 days. After 10 days, makukuha ko na. Then pupunta na ako sa LTO. Okay, so I'm finished at the Registry of Deeds doon. So I waited for like, hello po daw. I waited for like over 30 minutes because there are also a lot of people there. But not so much. The line was not so much, but I still have to wait. So what I did, I waited for this land registration receipt because I have to pay. I paid 810. So I asked, how do they compute that? So it depends upon the value of the car. So they gave me this, and they said after 10 days I can already get my paper, which I need when I go to the land transportation office. So for now, I'm done for this day. I'll wait for 10 days before I can go ahead and go to LTO and claim this stuff. Guys, napakabait nung guard doon. Kasi ang bilis na mag-entertain ng mga pumapasok ng kliyente. Kuya din nag-andar. Hi guys! So, ayan, galing pa lang ako dito sa Registry of Deeds at nakuha ko na ang aking dokumento sa car. So, kailangan lang naman pala ay manotaryhan siya ng ganito. Something like this. Tapos, I can already go to the land transportation office. So, I'm gonna go there bukas. So, bye muna. So, today, guys, nandito ako ngayon sa land transportation office for the release of my shuttle mortgage. So, let's go. Hi guys, so nandito ako sa LTO and pumunta ako dito but there are certain requirements na kailangan. So I have to get my requirements first. So yung mga requirements guys, kailangan ka palang magpa-inspection of motor vehicle with extensil, original copy of CR, latest copy of OR, then cancellation of mortgage from the ROD with assessment form, release of shuttle mortgage and promissory note from the Bank of Encumbrance Company, then photocopy of valid ID of the registered owner, and then confirmation of CR. So ayan guys, magpapa-inspection tayo dito sa inspection area. Ito yung kailangang palitan. Pagdating ko dito sa LTO, pumunta ako sa Public Assistance Officer. Tapos, dun sa akin in-explain yung mga requirements and kinumply ko. Tapos, dinalik ko sa kanya yung requirement. Waiting for my turn. Tatawagin ka para magbayad sa cashier. The payment for annotation or cancellation of mortgage, legal fees, 100 and 110, so 110 pesos. After mong magbayad, pupunta ka na sa releasing. Hi guys, my transaction is done here at the LTO and I got my CR. Guys, nakuha ko ng aking certificate of registration and hindi na to yung maliit.